this. What's your Christmas message, particularly, I guess, looking forward into, I think, what's going to be an extremely exciting year in 2018?
Well, let's think about it sociopolitically. Let's manifest some hope and say, well, it is a dark time and we're badly polarized, and this is the perfect time for the rebirth of the hero. And that's what Christmas is about. And it's about that at every level. So you can allow that to be reborn in your own heart, that and the birth of Christ is the birth of the logos, right? The word that extracts order out of chaos. It's the thing that always eternally sets things right. That's what we're celebrating at Christmas. And you want to welcome that into your heart and into your family, because if you don't, you're lost. This stuff is so, these ideas are so necessary and so vital that you cannot live without them. And so it's useful to understand profoundly what Christmas means. It means that the Logos is eternally reborn at the darkest period of time. And if you're not on your knees in gratitude for that, then you know very little about the horrors of the world.